We also listen into reactions that are now coming in from the politicians as well, as far as also making a similar appeal of asking the people to come out and vote in large number.
प्रजातंत्र में मतदान नागरिकों का कर्तव्य है और नागरिक कर्तव्यों को प्रत्येक नागरिक ने करना चाहिए। इसलिए जहाँ जब मेरा मतदान है, मैं वहाँ जाके पहले वो काम कर लेता हूँ दिन में, बाकी सब काम बाद में करता हूँ। अभी मैं बहुत दूर था, उत्तरांचल में था। एक दिन मेरे कार्यक्रम का कम करके केवल इसके लिए मैं कल रात को आया हूँ और आज चला जाऊँगा। तो मतदान ये कर्तव्य है, मतदाताओं ने मत देना चाहिए। ये मैं बोलता हूं तो मुझे करना है। 100% मतदान करना और मुद्दों पर मतदान करो।
I think it's a middle of the week election. So expectation यही है सबका कि इस बार वोटिंग परसेंटेज साउथ मुंबई में ज़्यादा हो। और आज का जो वोटिंग था वो प्रोसीजर बहुत ही सरल। The process, the entire procedure was very smooth. So our congratulations to Election Commission of India and to the election officials of Mumbai.
जी, आज पहली बार अकेले वोट करने आया हूँ। पापा नहीं है, अलग है, बट करना पड़ेगा जो भी है। मुझे पता है कि पापा साथ में है। आज सुबह मैं कब्रिस्तान गया और उसके बाद मैंने दिन की शुरुआत की और आज मैंने वोट किया और मुझे लगता है सब युवाओं को, सब लोगों को वोट करना चाहिए। तो मुझे कुछ कमेंट्स नहीं है, इलेक्शंस है उस पर फोकस कर रहा हूँ। ज़्यादा समय नहीं है बाकी चीज़ों पे फोकस करने के लिए। आज वोट करने आया हूँ और सबको यही बोलूँगा कि आप सब वोट कीजिए।
All right, that is the appeal that is now being made by many, as far as even when it comes to pictures of Bollywood celebrities that have also started to come in early this morning to come out to cast their vote. Of course, the early ones being that of Akshay Kumar, and also we have seen Rajkumar Rao coming out, John Abraham as well. Sachin Tendulkar along with his family also came out to vote, and Ali Faisal, as you can see, all of them, Farhan Akhtar also now in the fray, as Kabir Khan, the director, they're coming out to cast his vote. So this is the celebrity factor that seems to be also working out. Of course, giving that kind of influence to many of the people. If they can come out and vote early this morning, then why can't you? So come out and get up and come out to vote this morning, as far as when it comes to the appeal that is now being made from the Bollywood celebrities too.
I think it's a responsibility of every citizen to go and vote और बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है देश के लिए। हॉलिडे मत बनाइए, just go and vote, man. All the best, Jai. I think it's a responsibility of every citizen to go and vote और बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है देश के लिए। हॉलिडे मत बनाइए, just go and vote, man. All the best, Jai.
बढ़िया बात है, इंतजाम बहुत अच्छा किया हुआ है।
मेरे को क्यों ढका?
बहुत अच्छा इंतजाम किया हुआ है। मैं देख रहा था कि सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए बहुत अच्छा इंतजाम किया हुआ है, बहुत सफाई रखी हुई है। एंड बस आज यही है कि सब लोग आए, वोट करें। दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। बढ़िया बात है, इंतजाम बहुत अच्छा किया हुआ है।
मेरे को क्यों ढका?
बहुत अच्छा इंतजाम किया हुआ है। मैं देख रहा था कि सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए बहुत अच्छा इंतजाम किया हुआ है, बहुत सफाई रखी हुई है। एंड बस आज यही है कि सब लोग आए, वोट करें। दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट।
Well, Bollywood celebrities there making that appeal. And of course, Nilesh, did you get a chance to actually see Sachin Tendulkar along with his family too, who came out to cast his vote?
Well, absolutely, and just like every other cricket fan, I was able to witness the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, who along with his family member visited this polling station, which is situated in Bandra West. And Sachin Tendulkar, not only being a legendary cricketer, the god of cricket, but also a brand ambassador for Election Commission of India, yet again repeated that how people should be turning out to vote. It is their right and their responsibility to cast their vote. He also goes on stating that how the system that has been set up in here for the voters is quite smooth, and since morning we have been witnessing that people in big number are turning out to cast their vote, and as of now everything is running quite smooth, and people are still in here to check their registration names and reflections if it is in here, and they are later on guided by the Election Commission officers. And we can see how women, children and youngsters, senior citizens are turning out in big number. We saw how a 91-year-old lady on her wheelchair also reached at this polling station to cast her vote. She goes on stating that how being in 91-year-old, she has always been casting her vote, and also encouraging youngsters to turn out in big numbers, because when we talk about
this is the
youngsters,
very example there as far as that can be given of the people, be it celebrities, politicians alike, and even when it comes to senior citizens being the first ones to come out to cast their vote. And of course, this is the very festival of democracy today that is being celebrated, not just in Maharashtra. We also talk about Jharkhand and the bypolls in several states that are also taking place. But when it comes to the accurate figures, you will be watching all of the updates right here on Times Now, 5 p.m. onwards. As far as the exit polls are concerned, do not go anywhere.